Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we begin a new bathroom remodel. This remodel is a complete gut and redo, where the only items to stay in their original location is the bathtub and the toilet. First, we decided to remove the old jacuzzi drop-in tub and replace it with a freestanding tub. In doing so, it opened up the space and gave a lot more room in that area, so we were able to take the vanity and the linen closet and move it to the wall opposite of the tub, which is also where the shower was located originally. In doing so, we moved the shower to where the vanity and the linen closet were previously and more than doubled the size of the shower. In simpler terms, the vanity and linen closet and the shower swapped places. Since we drastically changed the layout, the homeowners were given a bathroom beyond their wildest dreams. It truly is an amazing transformation, and I can't wait to show you guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Here are a few pans of the room before the removal of everything has really begun. As you can see, the floor, shower, and vanity have already been removed. Today, Tony has started breaking down and removing the large bathtub, which is the last thing needing to be removed before he starts framing. Here is what the bathroom looks like after the tub has been removed. Tony is now working on framing the new shower and linen closet in their new locations. The framing is complete. The electricians are now relocating and installing electrical feeds to code, along with new recessed lights and vents. After the electricians are finished, it's time for the plumbers to come in. They're installing the new plumbing per the new layout. They are also setting the bathtub, which is a Barclay Montebello acrylic freestanding tub. Here is what the new shower looks like. The framing, electric, and plumbing is now complete. It is now time for the drywallers to hang, patch, and finish the drywall to get it ready to paint. This is the linen closet after it has been drywalled. The drywall is complete and the painter has started. He began by cutting in around the obstacles and then he will roll the rest of the room. The homeowner decided on Sherwin-Williams 7632 modern gray for the walls and ceiling and SW7006 extra white for the trim. The painting is now complete with the exception of the windows, which will be finished when the painter comes back for touch-ups. In our next video, you will see the tile, vanity, and tub install. Also, you will see what the completed bathroom looks like. You won't want to miss it.